Today we are going to discuss about the HRM and EM. You know very well about the human resources management is one of the department very important to run the organization very effective. In event management also, the human resources requirement, fulfillment of human resources is also one of the important phenomena. So the first one is assessment of the manpower requirements. How we can calculate the assessment of the manpower requirements means it depends upon the experience of the event organizers and requirement depending upon the size of the event and nature of the event and expected audience to be participate in the event. By that we can calculate the number of requirements of the manpower. And next one is creating organizational structure and charts. It is nothing but the visual representation of the organizational structure is nothing but here as an organizational chart. Mean how many members, what are the hierarchy that you have to present the event organizers in a perfect manner. Means who is the general event organizer, and next who is the manager, and next who is the manager is taking care about the overall event management. You have to specify an organizational structure and charts. And next one is assessment of the job descriptions and individual specifications. For example, event emergency procedure manager, maybe the job designation, and we can say the nature of the term means it is a very short term, means based upon that particular event only. What are his duty means gathering of all the emergency managers at the time of emergency of the event. So these are the specific job descriptions that we have to give, and individual specifications. How many individual specifications means for example here also taking care about the emergency procedure manager, and what are his again job nature, and what are his specifications, at what time he has to, what he has to do. Means emergency period he has to call upon all the emergency managers and people who are involved to take care about that particular event. So here we have to specify the job description and also specification of the employees who are participating in the event management. And next one is recruitment and selection. As you know very well about the recruitment, will start from that we are giving some advertisements in the newspapers, and we can follow in general procedure like employment exchanges. Some of the world government organization will follow this procedure. So by that you can allowing all the applicants who are going to participate in our event management as a human resources. And also the selection procedure means scrutinizing all the applications and selecting the people by conducting of interview and finalizing the suitable candidates for this event or event organization. And also creating schedules and timetables. Yes, at what time, at what schedule, what job designation is provided towards the particular employees, what they have to perform. You have to clearly specify and giving some ID codes and some dress codes and each and everything. And next one, you have to give proper training. So at what way they have to perform their roles, you have to give some proper training and development regarding the fulfillment of the requirements of the event management. And also briefing the staff. Yes, here also you have to specify the job nature of the event. What are the requirements, expectations are expected by the audiences and guests at that time, how they have to behave, what are the nature that they have to maintain, at what place the vehicles have to be parked, and how we have to offer the food at what time towards the participants. All these things and how we have to give the hospitality towards the participants, how to specify briefing the staff. And considering the legal aspects, yes, before going to conducting of any event management, that we have to take care about the fulfilling and paying of taxes according to the Income Tax Act of 1961. And also all the legal aspects, that is like safety and security requirements also you have to fulfill while conducting of event. And next one, appraisals and recognitions. Yes, who are all participated in our event event management, who are the people or worked as a employees of our event organization. We have to give some appraisal trophies and recognition by giving some certificates and offering some vacations, all these. And like recognition means job enrichment, and recognizing by announcing their names into the media, and also giving some promotions in their respective positions in the organization. And finally, managing the voluntaries. Some of the people will voluntarily they will come and work for our organization. You have to consider those people also co-workers of our event organization, in giving importance towards them, and identification as a the main employees of the organization. So this is the way we can say that HR is playing a vital role in the event management. Thank you.